Hey guys, it's Javier, your favorite Tampa Bay agent and lender with an update from yesterday's Federal Reserve meeting. Now, the Federal Reserve announced another rate increase of 0.25%. This marks the 11th increase from the Fed and brings interest rate to 5.25% to 5.5%, which is the highest in 22 years. But what does this mean for the economy? Well, let's break it down. Inflation has always been a major concern for the Federal Open Markets Committee, and it still remains elevated. However, there is some good news. The latest data shows that inflation has started to show signs of slowing down. That provides a glimmer of hope for people. The U.S. economy, on the other hand, has been expanding steadily, which indicates a positive trend. But there's a catch. Tighter credit conditions for households and businesses are on the horizon, potentially impacting economic activity, hiring, and inflation. This means that it might become harder for people to qualify for loans, affecting their spending and their investments. How does this affect us? Well, if you're looking to buy a home and got pre-qualified a few weeks ago, you should probably get it updated and on a weekly basis. Never fear though, there is a silver lining. The Fed is focused on reducing inflation to the 2% target, and they're willing to adjust monetary policy accordingly. But here's where it gets interesting. The FOMC has left the door completely open for a shift in either direction. So while more rate hikes could be on the horizon, there's also a possibility that they may decide to pause the increases if the economy faces significant challenges. In the end, it's a delicate balancing act for the Federal Reserve. So what happens now? Well, experts and analysts are closely watching the market and data for any signs of economic change that might influence the Fed's decision, so stay tuned. And that's a wrap on the Fed Update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and if you found this information helpful, hit the like and share button. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.